Oberlo Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Oberlo and related resources can be found in the description below. Oberlo was a popular dropshipping app specifically designed for Shopify users, aiming to simplify product sourcing, order fulfillment, and inventory management. One standout feature was its seamless integration with AliExpress, enabling store owners to import products with a single click and automatically sync pricing and stock levels. This streamlined approach allowed entrepreneurs to focus on marketing and building their brand rather than spending hours on manual updates. Another benefit was Oberlo's built-in product customization tool, which allowed sellers to edit titles, descriptions, and pricing rules to better align with their branding and profit margins. The automated ordering system was particularly useful. Once a customer placed an order, Oberlo forwarded that order to the supplier, reducing human error and the repetitive tasks associated with dropshipping. Oberlo also provided a beginner-friendly interface and step-by-step tutorials, making it appealing for entrepreneurs with little to no technical experience. Regarding strengths, Oberlo's integration with Shopify stood out, offering a coherent workflow for new and established store owners alike. Users often praised the app's one-click import feature and automated order processing, which significantly cut down operational overhead. Another plus was the curated selection of products within Oberlo's verified suppliers section, intended to reduce shipping delays and quality issues. Additionally, Oberlo's educational content, such as blogs and courses, helped dropshippers improve their store strategy and marketing efforts. The tool's compatibility with basic Shopify plans also made it accessible for those on limited budgets, as no significant coding or design expertise was required. However, there were several weaknesses. Oberlo's functionality was largely tied to AliExpress, meaning store owners were somewhat limited in the range of suppliers and product quality could vary drastically between vendors. Shipping times, particularly for orders going to North America or Europe, often took weeks unless store owners sourced from local warehouses or used premium shipping methods. As Oberlo was a Shopify-exclusive app, merchants using other platforms did not have the option to use it natively, and the flexibility for advanced store customization could be limited. Finally, some users felt Oberlo's pricing structure became steep if they scaled quickly, particularly if they also relied on other paid Shopify apps. Overall, Oberlo was an excellent choice for Shopify-based entrepreneurs seeking a straightforward way to import products, manage inventory, and streamline order fulfillment directly from AliExpress. If shipping times and supplier variety aren't major concerns for your target market, and you plan to remain on the Shopify platform, Oberlo's automated workflows and intuitive interface provided a significant advantage in the dropshipping world.